Let's start cooking Cajun Edamame. Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef Keiji. In this video, I'm going to make Cajun Edamame. I'm mixing Southern American seasoning, Cajun powder. Edamame is one of my favorite Japanese appetizer. It's dairy-free and vegan. Cajun Edamame goes well with beer too. Let's start cooking Cajun Edamame. Here's instructions. Using 1 tablespoon of grated garlic. Mixing 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with grated garlic. I'm going to use Cajun seasoning powder. I'm just using 1 tablespoon of Cajun powder, but if you like spicier, you can put more. Boiling water to cook edamame. I got fresh edamame from market. If you can't find fresh edamame, that's totally fine. You can use frozen edamame too. Washing edamame lightly before boiling. If you're using fresh edamame, cook about 3 minutes. If you're using frozen edamame, you can check a package and follow instructions. After boiling edamame, drain hot water. After boiling edamame, we're starting stir-frying edamame. Heating up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir-fry edamame about 3 minutes. You can see color changing. Using low heat before adding Cajun sauce. Adding Japanese Cajun sauce. After adding Japanese Cajun sauce, cook about 1 minute. Cajun edamame is ready. You can squeeze fresh lemon on Cajun edamame. How did you like cooking Cajun edamame? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or requests, please leave it in comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.